Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates. Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito naman po ang inyong lingkod para pagbigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful na tarot reading. Sige po, ang ating reading na pagsasamahan ngayon, isang general reading para sa lahat ng signs. But it's a general love reading, okay? Tungkol sa pag-ibig, relationship. And this is not a coincidence na napanood nyo to. So, I already manifested before I recorded. So, ibig sabihin kapag napanood nyo to, para sa'yo talaga ang reading na ito. Okay? Alamin natin, ano ba ang mga ganapan, ano ba mga nais na sign ng ating universe para sa inyong love life or relationship. Sige? Last shuffle, ang kukuha na tayo ng inyong baraha. Okay? I know that you're so excited. Sige, kukuha ko ng isang baraha na magiging pamato dito sa taas and the rest ay kukuha ko ng 10. Okay? Sige. Spirit Weaver, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 10 cards please. So, 1, 2, 3. So, 7 cards more. Spirit Weaver, Spirit Guides. 4, 5. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. And ulitin ko po, kapag nagustuhan yung ating reading, don't hesitate to comment, like, and share, and of course, subscribe po. Lamin niya natin. Ulitin ko, this is a general reading para sa lahat ng signs ito. At sabi ko nga, this is not a coincidence. I already manifested na kung sino makapanood itong reading na to ay para sa kanila talaga ang reading na ito. So, 10 cards are now ready. Sige, tingnan natin. Para sa pamato, oh, look. 4 of Wands, wedding, celebration. So, tingnan natin. This is happiness. So, I can see her ng positive. Positive ang love reading. So, I can see, kapag ba to, expect if you're waiting for a sign na maaring proposal or may propose or wedding in the soonest time, congratulations in advance. Ikaw ba to? Titingnan natin. So, ang gagawin natin, bubukas ako ng isang card at i-prepare ko siya dito. I-connect natin dito sa pamato nating baraha. Okay? So, Ace of Cups. So, Ace of Cups and 4 of Wands. Ace of Cups. Ace of Wands, sorry. I stand by corrected. No ba? Excite ako. So, this is Ace of Wands. And I can see her na talagang, if you are asking for a sign, if you're questioning yourself, na siya na ba ito? Si perfect, is he or she the one na ba? I can say with this opening card na Ace of Wands, yes, siya na yan. Maybe you have experienced a lot of relationship before na parang hindi nag-work, parang toxic, or kung parang, alam mo yun, parang medyo puno ng kanegahan, lagi nag-aaway, parang, there's a lot of things going on na parang hindi talaga nag-work pa sa inyo. Pero now, this is the best time. Maybe kung may naniligaw sa inyo, if you're asking a sign na sasagutin mo siya, or maybe, ito na ba yung person? Yes. I will be answering you with a yes. Because, una-una dun sa pamato nating barahan na 4 of Wands, so celebration. So, it will make you happy. So, at the same time, so we have here the Ace of Wands. So, this is a new beginning. A new chapter of relationship for you. Itong person mo ay talagang, at least, this is the best para sa'yo ngayon. Okay? Sige. Kung naghanap kayo ng sign ha, so, please, the cards are very beautiful for you. Okay, King of Wands. Okay, that person is very intelligent. Okay, I can say na yung tao na yan, yung person na yan, na maaring makilala mo or maka-partner mo is very intelligent person, matalino, matured, so it will help you, makakatulong to sa'yo in terms of, kasi baka mamaya sa yung dalawa, siya yung mas magde-drive ng relationship or parang siya yung magbibigay sa'yo ng, alam niya yung path. Okay, so don't be parang, what is this? Parang wag kang ma-offend. So don't be offended pag ganun kasi, so ganyan talaga siya, nature niya yan, but kasi, that person is very intelligent, so that's why, you just go to the flow. But I can say na, that person is very fit or talagang perfect para sa'yo. Oh. Another confirmation card that the person that you wanted or that person that is offering you a new love is perfect for you. The one, it's because here is the emotion. The Moon card represents your emotion. So both of you, makikita nyo, magiging clear, kumbaga walang may tatago. Yung personality, malidiscover mo lahat. Even you, both sides, malalaman nyo. Wala kayong tatago sa isa't isa. That's why you will be building trust. Okay, magbubuo kayo ng tiwala sa isa't isa because the moon is clarity, revelation. So, talagang, kumbaga, aside from the personality, napakahalaga na malaman din natin sa maagang panahon, 'di ba, yung emotional state ng tao. That's why it's very important. But don't worry because this moon card will give you the clarity. It will reveal everything about that person at talagang makakapag-decide kung malalaman. But sabi ko nga, you don't need to decide because sa unang bara pa lang na Ace of Wands. So, he or she is ready the one. Okay? Siya na talaga. So, we have here the Ten of Swords. So, maybe you are still frustrated or what is this? Disappointed or you have still a lot of doubts, marami ka pang mga pagdududa or mga questions if I'm really going to go this person. Because nakikita mo parang frustrated ka, down ka, it's because, kasi parang syempre gustong-gusto mo ngayon na maging relationship eh talagang will work for the long term. Sino bang ayaw nun? Kasi sa panahon ngayon, uso na lang yung parang, just one walk away, parang tas bukas wala na, parang hindi ganon. You are longing, parang hindi ito yung klase ng relationship na hinahanap mo. That's why you're really working hard para mahanap yung perfect person. And that's why you are anxious, okay? Parang medyo nalulungkot ka if you're asking questions if really that person, darating pa ba siya para sa'yo? So, okay, that's why ito, hindi natin masisisi bakit lumabas ang card na to. But sabi kong ulitin ko, I'm telling you, with the moon card and the ace of wands, celebration card, in the perfect time, or if there's someone already o meron na talagang over sa'yo, then that's at napanood mo to, then this is already the sign for you to make an action or to decide. So Tower, so this is an ending about a certain situation na lalong-lalo na sa relationship nyo na talagang hindi na nag-work out, or maybe there are some of you na makaparod nito na single and really wanted to enter a relationship also. So you just need to end something about sa attitudes or sa habits mo na talagang nagsiserve as blockages kaya hindi dumadating yung manifestations mo or yung mga pinapangarap mo or yung wini-wish mo. At the same time, if you are in a relationship, something about relationship is about not literally na maghiwalay kayo, but I will say so there are some toxic exchanges of negativity sa relationship nyo na parang napapalala, miscommunication, doubts, jealousy, or whatsoever. So that will be gone kasi mawawala yan. Tatanggalin yan is because there will be revelation. Kailangan nyo mag-usap ng maayos kasi kailangan maging clear, transparent ang lahat with this moon card. Okay, but all in all, it will reveal who you are talaga. Mas lalong makikilala nyo ang bawat isa kasi kailangan matanggal dyan. And of course, we have here the celebration card. So, kailangan talagang transparent and honesty sa relationship. Kasi, it will serve as a foundation. Alam mo yan. Oh, Ace of Cups, new beginning. Okay, this person will not only help you in terms of personality development, but in terms of career or in building a family. So, you will not be worrying about, siguro itong person na to will give you the stability. Makakatulong to sa'yo para i-develop yung skills mo, maaaring makatulong sa in terms of finances, sa trabaho, to ilabas ang talagang galing mo, mas ma-develop ang whatsoever hidden talents na siguro maybe nahiya ka pa. So this person na darating para sa iyo will help you to transform your life, okay? Talagang iangat ka nito sa hirap, ihangat ka nito sa, from the past situations, toxic situations na pinagdaanan mo. So, if you're waiting for a sign, if you're looking for an answer, so the cards are not lying, so makatapat pa sila na pala sila Ace, so Ace of Wands and Ace of Cups. So there's a new beginning for you talaga. This is not only a new beginning in terms of relationship or love life, but this is a kind of love life na talagang it's like, it's not all 100% perfect, but at least it is the one na parang pinapangarap ng lahat. Okay? So, nag-resonate kayo ha? Please comment. Or mag-comment kayo na I claim it already. Okay? So, we have the Queen of Swords. So, kailangan mong maggumawa ng aksyon. Hindi pwedeng, what I'm saying is hindi pwedeng para mag-aantay ka lang. Of course, you need to make a way para makilala itong tao na to. Or lumapit itong tao na to sa'yo. So, hindi pwedeng nakaupo ka lang. So, I'm trusting the universe. No? Of course, you need to go out to your comfort zone. Okay? kung pwedeng sa dating app or social media, going outside sa mga social activities, you go outside kasi diyan mo makikilala. Diyan mo makilala ang taong ito, itong person na to. Okay? But if you're in a relationship, so I can see here na itong Queen of Swords also ay represent stability. So you don't need to worry. So your relationship will be blossoming. So talagang mas lalong tatatag ang foundation. So, but I can see her na talagang it's outside. Kung if you're looking for someone, makikilala mo siya sa community, not hindi to parang kusa lang nalalapit sa iyo or randomly. So, High Priestess, you need to manifest it talaga. Sabayan mo din ng prayers, sabayan mo din ng manifestations, wishes, rituals, or whatsoever for this perfect person na ay talagang mapasayo na or dumating sa'yo. But I can see here talaga darating talaga siya sa'yo. Or maybe there are some. Sabi ko ulitin ko, kapag meron na talaga nag-offer sa'yo, grab nyo na yan. This is the perfect time. Sabi ko, I manifested na sino man makapad nitong video ay talagang this is for them. So we have the celebration card. So it will bring you so much happiness. Sabayan lang ng dasal pa. Okay, sabayan lang ng wishes, okay? So it will be given to you. This perfect person will be given to you in the perfect time. And of course, pag dumating ito, it will make you so much happy to the point that you will be celebrating, okay? This person also will give you stability in terms of money. Itong person na to, na makaka-partner mo or makaka-relationship nyo will give you or will teach you the maturity in terms of pera. Kung ikaw waldas, kung ikaw ay palagastos, itong tao na to matipid or marunong mag-manage ng pera at matututunan mo to sa kanya. Marami kang matututunan kasi di ba sinabi ko dun sa una pa lang na as dito sa King of Wands, itong person na to na makikilala mo or talagang maka-relationship mo matalino, di ba sabi ko? Matalino talaga siya. So matured, intelligent, and all of these things ay talagang marami kang matututunan sa kanya. Okay, don't wait for any sign. So this is the sign. Pag napanood mo to and there are someone offering for you, maybe you still have doubts, may mga doubts ka pa now. Go for it. So, here, the world card. So, new beginning. Everything is very good for you. Good news. So, very smooth. So, wala ka nang hanapin pa. So, if you saw this video and you're asking for a sign of you, if you're asking kapag darating pa ba itong person na to, yes, he or she is at the corner. And if you're asking for a sign kung mag-yes ka ba, sasagutin mo ba siya? Yes, 2,000% sure because we have here the celebration. We have here the Ace of Wands. We have here the Ace of Cups. So, I'm so happy for you sa makakapad nito. Kung meron man dyan umaaligid-aligid sa'yo, paparamdam na. Okay? So, this is the best time. Congratulations sa mga ikakasal, sa may magpa-propose sa partner. All in all, the energy of this reading is very good. It's like a stable relationship, fruitful. It's like full of very good communication at the same time, happy, and, a kind of relationship that all of us are dreaming. Okay. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood, sa pagsama sa atin ngayon. I hope and I pray na maraming makapanood dito ngayon. And mag-comment kayo kapag nagustuhan nyo or nakaresonate kayo. Of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Maraming salamat.